The consequences of the sexualization of girls in media today are very real and are likely to be a negative influence on girls' healthy development, says Aylen El-Zurbriggen, PhD chair of the APA task force and associate professor of psychology at the University of California, Santa Cruz. We have ample evidence to conclude that sexualization has negative effects in a variety of domains including cognitive functioning, physical and mental health, and healthy sexual development. At a time when modern science is sounding the alarm about the necessity of protecting women and girls from sexual objectification, these words revealed by our noble religion centuries ago once again demonstrates the timeless miracle of the Quran and its profound understanding of human nature. Allah Almighty says, "O Prophet, ask your wife, daughters and believing women to draw the cloaks over their bodies. In this way, it's more likely that they will be recognized as virtuous and not be harassed. And Allah is all forgiving, most merciful."